Okay, this is how to remove a dishwasher. First thing, we're going to disconnect the power from the dishwasher. Next, we locate the drain hose and the hot water supply line. Typically, the hot water is on the left side of the cold water, and this supply line was right behind a pipe, so I had to maneuver around it. Removing the drain hose. This can have some water in it, so you might want to bucket around. And removing the supply line. Be sure to turn off the water supply line before removing it, and have a bucket ready as well. Alright, now we're gonna remove the mounting screws. Here we can pull it out and wiggle, pull and wiggle really. Get it out, and I'm just trying to pull out enough space so I can get access to behind the dishwasher so I can get to see the hardwire connection. Right on the right side of this dishwasher is the hardwire connection, and it's running in the back, so there you see it. Now, to disconnect this hardwire connection, we'll need to remove the kick plate, which is on the bottom of the dishwasher. And this usually have 2 screws or 2 fasteners, but this does not have a screw, it's just a fastener here. So just pop it off and pull out the kick plate. Okay, and when we take off the kick plate, then we have access to the power supply and also the level. So that's that stand wheel there. So you can disconnect the electrical connections with removing the black from black and white from white, and also the ground wire. But for this dishwasher, I'm just going to cut the wire because I don't plan to I plan to make some changes with that hardwire, and I don't need to reuse this dishwasher as well. So I've checked with my tester to see if there's any power in the line, and the indicator shows no power. And now I'm coming back with my wire cutter and cut. Now the dishwasher is ready to be removed. I will have to, now I can pull and wiggle and just make sure that I also feed the drain hose out and the water supply line braided cord. So pull that over, and be careful with this, it does still have some water when you're pulling out the drain hose.